Secure shingles at the eave with a consistent nailing pattern to resist wind uplift and protect the roof edge. Follow the eave nailing pattern thumb rule by placing a double row of nails at the starter course and the first full course, with nails aligned along the manufacturer recommended nail line roughly 1/4 inch above the shingle adhesive strip. Use Ring-Shank roofing nails or similarly textured nails to improve pullout resistance, and choose a length that penetrates through the sheathing and into the roof decking by at least 3/8 of an inch to 1/2 inch for a solid hold. Space nails evenly across the width of the shingle and avoid clustering near the ends where split and blow-off risk is highest. Drive nails square to the shingle surface so the head sits flat without overdriving or underdriving, which both weaken the hold. If the nail head tears the shingle, remove and replace that shingle and nail. For roofs in high wind zones, increase the nail count per shingle following local code, but keep the pattern symmetric so loads distribute evenly. When using starter strips, ensure the bottom edge is flush and fasten through both starter and first shingle rows where they overlap to create a continuous nailed edge. Common mistakes include using smooth shank nails that back out under cyclic wind loading, which you fix by switching to Ring-Shank or screw shank roofing nails that provide mechanical bite. Another frequent issue is nails that are too short or driven too shallow so they do not engage the decking. Correct this by selecting lengths that penetrate into the deck by at least 3/8 of an inch and by checking a test nail before full installation. A third problem is inconsistent spacing or misaligned nail placement that creates stress points and blown seams. Prevent this by marking a chalk line at the nail line and using a spacing guide or template to maintain even placement across the eave. We run BigHomeProjects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to help contractors find work that matches their skills. We also host an active discussion community where we, our users and contractors exchange practical tips about installation patterns, nails, and wind-resistant techniques.